Welcome back to Cooking with Grandpa. Joe here and Lorenzo, my grandson, in the background with the camera. Today we're going to make sweet and sour pork. Now I just want you to understand one thing. I'm making 6 portions, but in the recipe below the information, when you hit more, you're going to see the ingredients list and everything in volume and weight for 4 portions. If you want to make 6, just times everything by 1.5. We'll get started soon now. Okay, we're going to add our meat to we're going to saute this for about 10 minutes. And I want to explain something to you. This whole recipe is quick and easy. It can be made in 25 minutes. That's about enough time for you to boil your rice, because we're going to put it over the rice. We're going to saute this up a little for about 10 minutes, cook it up. Now, I used pork loin because it was on sale. If you want to use a pork shoulder, which might be a little cheaper, you can use that too. Just got to dice it up good, and you can use that if you get that cheaper. If you don't, you can use this too. Okay, we're going to do this for about 10 minutes, get it nice and brown. Okay, while this is here sauteing for about 10 minutes, we're going to make our marinade. Now, it's very kind of important that when you get the pineapple for this dish, buy it with pineapple juice instead, not the one with heavy syrup. And this is you drain it and you use the pineapple juice for the marinade, because the pineapple juice can marinate the meat. Now we're going to throw in our vinegar, our sugar, our soy sauce. We're going to mix that up a little bit. This is going to become the marinade. Okay, and we're going to put also 1/4 inch of ginger, 1/4 teaspoon, I'm sorry, and 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. Mix that up pretty good. And in a few minutes we're going to add this to the meat. So as you can see, we're doing it about how many minutes? 4 or 5 minutes. We're done. Turn it. You want to get some of that liquid water out of there, out of the meat. Okay, we'll get back to you when we're ready to put the marinade in. Okay, we finished our 10 minutes, as you can see. We got it up. Now we're going to put our soy mixture and our marinade into here. Now you bring this up to a boil. When it gets to a boil, then we're going to simmer it for about 3 minutes. And this is going to make it nice and tender. We'll bring this up to a boil, and I'll get back to you when the 3 minutes is up. Now we simmered this for about 3 minutes, 4 minutes, and now I got my cornstarch in this bowl, and you can mix it with water, but I used the water that was in the bean sprouts. I'm going to mix this up. Now we're going to add this to this. And we're going to start stirring it. And when this comes to a boil again, we're going to let it boil for about 5 minutes. This just started to come back to a boil, and as you can see, it's starting to thicken. Now what we want to do is simmer this for about 5 minutes to get the taste of the cornstarch out. I'll get back to you when that's done. Okay, we went on 5 minutes. See how nice and thick it is now? And get that taste of the cornstarch out. Now we're going to add our pineapple, our peppers, and we're going to add our bean sprouts, which I had already drained. We simmered this about 5 minutes, and like I told you, 25 minutes and you got a beautiful meal. Look how nice this looks. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put this over a bed of rice, and you're gonna really enjoy this a lot. Okay, thanks for watching. We're gonna plate this up, and I want to remind you, in the description you'll have all the weights and volume and in weight. And also give us a like and a subscription. Thanks again, enjoy our meal.